Spacio is the awesome paperless open house registration tool that Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Georgia Properties offers to our associates at no cost. This tool helps our visitors sign in with ease, helps our agents with efficient, organized follow-up, lead generation, and reporting. Using Spacio makes each open house safer, but did you know it can also help protect your commission? The registration of guests may be a determining factor in establishing procuring cause should the need arise. Additionally, Spacio is what we use to draw winners for our agent and consumer mega open house prizes, so it really does pay to use it. There are many ways to use Spacio paperless registration. It can be used with a browser on your laptop if you have access to Wi-Fi, via your smartphone, or with an iPad or Android tablet using the Spacio app. Additionally, your guests can register via their own smartphone using the property's unique link or QR code, printable from your desktop or laptop computer. One of Spacio's most popular features is offline mode. This mode gives you the ability to register visitors at open houses without a Wi-Fi connection. All the information from your open house registrants will automatically sync to your Spacio account the next time your iPad or Android tablet reconnects to Wi-Fi. If you want to use offline mode, first make sure your device's operating system is up to date and that you're using the most recent version of the Spacio app. Here's how to use the Spacio app with iPads or Android tablets. Step 1. Download Spacio's iPad or Android tablet app from http://spac.io/download. Step 2. At your home or office, connect to Wi-Fi. Log into your Spacio account and load the app to make sure all your properties and settings are synced before your open house. You must be connected to Wi-Fi in order to log in. Step 3. If you have set up your open house and features from your computer, but plan to use your tablet in offline mode, please make sure you sync the app while connected to Wi-Fi at least once before going to your open house. Turn off Wi-Fi or turn on your device's airplane mode to ensure your app is completely offline. Then try using the app and registering yourself once before your open house. This is a good test to make sure everything is working properly. Step 5. Use the app in offline mode at your open house. Step 6. When you get home or get back to the office, connect your iPad or Android tablet to Wi-Fi and open up the app so your contacts can sync and your auto emails can be sent out. You must open the app to wake it up before your contacts can sync. Just connecting your device to Wi-Fi is not enough. If you don't have Wi-Fi or a tablet, you can use your phone as a mobile hotspot and connect your computer just like you would connect to Wi-Fi. Finding your mobile hotspot will be different from device to device, but generally you'll go into your settings, tap Mobile Hotspot, then tap to turn it on. You'll notice a password for that device. You'll need this for the next step. On your laptop, go to your wireless settings and look for your smartphone. Enter the password on your phone and you should be good to go. If you've never set up your Wi-Fi hotspot, you may need to do so before using it. Also, be sure to check with your carrier for any additional costs. You can even use the Spacio app on your smartphone to view visitors during your open house. You'll want to make sure the sign-in device for guests and your smartphone are using the same Wi-Fi. Using the app from your smartphone, click the View Visitors button for the property you're holding open. With both your devices on Wi-Fi, you can click Refresh on the top right to see all current visitors, make notes, and see their social profiles if they are verified. Just look for the blue check mark, all while the visitors are in your open house. This is a great way to have conversations and make any notes as you chat with your guests. Spacio is a very robust platform that offers our associates a great way to manage open houses. Every lead captured at your open houses will feed directly into your intranet CRM, And when we release the Salesforce CRM, it will integrate fully with it too. Talk about awesome technology working together. We all know how busy the life of a realtor is, and Spacio offers us an easy and efficient way to register our guests and follow up in a snap. Now that's good to know.